Hello students, today we have seen OC chapter number 3, small scale industry and business. In that industry there is a meaning and definition, importance of small scale industry, advantage of small scale industries and step regarding to small scale business. So first of all there is a introduction between the Arun and Anil of good friends, and there is a general program to be educated youth and juice of divided into manufacturer. They started a small scale industry and the village by taking financial assistance with the help of khadi and village. So first of all let us see introduction. There is a rising population must be given opportunities of means of livelihood. The problems of unemployment is becoming more serious in India, in that there is a post independence period more than overcome by new industrial policies. So there क्या है small scale industry? They play the important role in a developing countries where is availability is less capital and more manpower of the industry term, and manufacturing providing services production and does in the small scale or micro scale industry. In that industry there is a fixed government of India according to micro small medium enterprise development act MSMED 2006. ये जो एक्ट है इसके अंडर मैन पावर और एम्प्लॉयज़ की जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो मोर देन 50 है और लेस देन 100 है. जो हाउएवर जो कैपिटल रिसोर्स इन्वेस्ट करती है प्लांट एंड मशीनरी बिल्डिंग एक्सेट्रा हैज़ बीन criteria for large and medium scale business. So there is a classification of two sectors, manufacturing sectors and service sectors, in the term of business form. So there is a business, three types of business is found in industry in India. First is micro, small and medium. In that manufacturing sector there is micro manufacturing sector does not exceed 25 lakhs, and service sector does not exist rupees 10 lakhs. In small micro than 25 lakhs but does not exceed 5 crores. So in service sector more than 10 lakhs but does not exceed 2 crores. Medium more than 5 crores but does not exceed 10 crores. More than 2 crores but does not exceed 5 crores. So there is a definition. Investment is fixed assets like plant and equipment either held on ownership terms or own and lease, or here purchase should not be more than 1 crore. However, there is a classification of small scale industry. First is traditional small scale industry and second is modern small scale industry. In that first is handloom, then handicraft, then coal, then sericulture, and then khadi and village industry. And then modern small scale industry, bicycle parts, shaving machines, blades, razors, electronic appliances and spare parts. So there will be the classification of production in small scale industry and modern small scale industry. So point number 3.2, importance of small scale industry. There is a SSI, small scale industry plays the role in development of economy. In economy there is a non-economic and economic term. Agriculture and agro-based sector job opportunities. SSI is second largest industry which creates huge employment in the business opportunities because it can be operate with minimum amount of capital. SSI will run with basis and potential skill, regional balance, In India, all regions are not developed due to lack of industries. SSIs can be set up with medium amount of capital. Small industry manufacturing products using simple technology, local available resources, material and labor. It is increased competitive strength. Small scale industry enjoy the advantage of low cost of product. These industry use locally available resources which are large establishment and running cost of small industry are comparatively less. Low cost of production, low overheads ultimately results in low price of goods, increases competitive strength, maximum use of natural resources. Small scale industry are labor incentive utilize available natural resources and raw material from local areas. Such a use of natural resources, the maximum cost of production which is used as natural resources means क्या है, जो स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री में जो प्रोडक्शन लेते हैं, जो रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ होता है वो नेचुरल होता है. सो सच अ यूज़ ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस minimize the cost of production which result into reasonable products the goods, then reduces migrations. In small scale industry, migrations means people from rural or urban area is called as migration. So small scale industry can create a large number of employment in rural as well as in small scale industry also. So but it is also industries provide raw materials, semi agriculture goods to large scale industry, for example spare parts. Developing new entrepreneurs, small scale enterprises have the potential of strong young experiences entrepreneurship. Small scale industry can accommodate and non-technical young first generation entrepreneurs. India is the country, therefore government has to pay attention to the development of small and semi industries in order to create a balanced economic. And then point 3.3 advantage of small scale industry. There will be the 7 points of the small scale industry. Their advantage of small scale industry. First advantage is large employment. The labor of standard country, the large employment creates various opportunities in the industry. The factors of production will be the large number of people will be given for that industries. So next is less capital requirement. SSI requires less capital requirement. They started and run by small entrepreneurs with limited capital resources. Then utilization of domestic resources. So small scale industry make use of local resources which are available in the greater extent. Small amount of saving which normally remains ideal are now channelized. This will increase capital formation and investment in the economy. Next is increases industrial output. SSI produce consumer goods as well as industrial components. The goods are cheaper and safety. The needs of poor sections of the society. Products produced by SSI form a significant portion of industrial output of a country. Then there increases industrial output in small scale industry. Contribution in export. Nearly 40% of the industry export are contributed by SSI. Products such as gems and jewelry, handicraft, COID products will be given for the export of a business in small scale as well as large scale industry also. Then equitable distribution. So, in large scale industry leads to equilibrities in income distributions of the economic power, but small scale industry dispute resources and wealth more equitability. Then, earning foreign exchange. Small scale industry earn valuable foreign exchange for the country by exporting products to different countries of the world. At the same time, their imports are every little. For example, the small scale industry in Tripura contribute to the substantial portions of India's textile export and earn valuable foreign exchange for the country. Then opportunities for entrepreneurship. Small scale industry provide opportunities for entrepreneurs which limited capital. SSI requires less capital and lower investment in technology and machines as compared to large scale enterprises. Therefore, small entrepreneurs can start small scale industry easily. SSI in Japan, which was devastated by the Second World War, became a major economic power of the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means what? Businessman. So, the small scale industry provide various opportunities to entrepreneur with limited capital resources. SSR require less capital and lower investment in technologies and machines. Then cost efficiency. Small scale unit can adopt micro production method which offer better quality and more variety at a lower cost. They are most cost effective as compared to large scale because their expenses are lower. Reduces migration. Migration happens when people living in rural area are not able to find employment and therefore they migrate to urban areas seeking employment. Large scale migration puts tremendous pressure on land, water, and other resources in urban areas. The skilled and talent of rural craftsmen, artisans, etc., leads to gainful employment to those with inherited skill, resulting in their economic equipment. Then flexibility in operation. So, in small scale industry are more flexible. They can adapt themselves to changing market requirement very fast. So, there will be the activities for the small scale industry. Visit a small scale. Then advantages, let us see, rewind one by one. Large employment first, then less capital requirement, next utilization of domestic resources, then increase industrial output, then contribution to export, and then equitable distribution means equal distribution, earning foreign exchange, then opportunities of entrepreneurship, then cost efficiency, then reduces migration, and then flexibility in operation. So there will be the 11th point of advantage of small scale industry. It is also important questions of final exam, advantage of small scale industry. So there will be the 11 advantage of small scale industry business. So there will be the various terms is found in challenges before small scale industry. So there will be the various challenges are found beyond small scale industry. Let us see one by one. Old method of production, inactive finance, problem of raw material, labor problem, marketing problem, and problem of transport, sickness, power shortage and trade, irregular supply, global competition, etc. Let us see in next lecture. Thank you.